join my Key to Gold channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update.
Recently, Indra 2021, a military exercise is started between India and which country? Russia. The virtual trilateral exercise on maritime security TTX 2021 is organized between which three countries? India, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Nasim al-Bahar is the naval exercise of India and which country? Oman. Sampriti is the military exercise between India and which country? Bangladesh. Nomadic elephant is the military exercise between India and which country? Mongolia. Avia Indra is the air exercise between Indian Air Force and which country? Russia. Hand in Hand is a military exercise between India and which country? China. The military exercise Mitra Shakti is conducted between India and which country? Sri Lanka. The naval exercise Konkana is between India and which country? United Kingdom. The military exercise Khanjar is conducted between India and which country? Kyrgyzstan. Between which two countries Yuddha Abhyas military exercise is conducted? India and USA. Between which two countries JIMEX naval exercise is conducted? India and Japan. Which is the largest military exercise of the Indian Air Force? Wing Rider. The second edition of Bongo Sagar is a naval exercise between India and which country? Bangladesh. The air exercise COPE India is conducted between India and which country? USA. The military exercise Garud Shakti and Samudra Shakti is between India and which country? Indonesia. Air Force exercise Indradhanush takes place between which two countries? India and UK. Surya Kiran military exercise is conducted between India and which country? Nepal. The military exercise Maitri is conducted between which of these two countries? India and Thailand. The military exercise Tiger Trop is conducted between which two countries? India and USA. Ajay Warrior is the military exercise between India and which of these following countries? United Kingdom. The trilateral naval exercise Varun is organized between which of these countries? India, France, UAE. PASEX 2021 is the naval exercise between India and which country? Indonesia. SLINEX is the naval exercise between India and which country? Sri Lanka. CORPAT is an exercise between India and which country? Thailand.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.